try to break the barriers between different AI acceleration technology, and the AI helps us to put together everything. Right. So let's say if we choose the DeepX frontend here, apply. So now the AI model concurrently are running 4 different high-resolution channels with a YOLO model at the same time. Of course, we are free to choose other runtime if that fits with your use case, it's much better. Right. So I think that's the power of a highly integrated solution. Yes, thank you.
This demo is built by our UP Xtreme PTL Edge. It's powered by Intel Ultra Series 3 processors. You can use the chat or by text to ask the robot to pick up the cues. So this demo is showing the capability of Intel processors to run the different AI models, including the large language model, vision language models, and also the computer vision models at the same time.